Despite the successful holding of general elections and the peaceful transfer of power in the Democratic Republic of Congo, Zambia has continued to receive asylum seekers from that country. Contrary to expectations that the numbers would have reduced after the elections, the country receives about 200 refugees per month from the DRC. While some more Congolese refugees are running into Zambia for asylum, others are taking spontaneous return to that country. Government is, however, cautioning them to follow the right procedure so that their safety can be taken care of.
So the numbers has continued to go up. We were at 81,000 at the beginning of this year, but this number has risen to 83,692 as we speak at the end of August. We at the moment already have around 40 people that are at the border in Mpulungu awaiting relocation to Mehera. So as you can see, the numbers have continued to change. They are increasing instead of going down. However, we have some indications from some of the refugees that we are hosting in Mehera and Matampala who have indicated their willingness to go back home.
Meanwhile, government has issued about 170 conventional travel documents to refugees who wish to travel abroad for various purposes. The Commission for Refugees in Zambia is concerned that some refugees are confusing the document for a permit to stay in urban areas or a mobility pass.
We are issuing documents in Matampala this week to at least 15,000 people that are in Matampala. These include what we call refugee identity cards. These are orange in color, and they are issued to refugees that reside in the refugee settlement. Refugees also are entitled to travel out of the country when there's need for them to do so for various reasons. They can be traveling for medical treatment, they may be traveling on official business, maybe they are employed and their company requires them to travel abroad, or they may just be visiting. In that case, the government has come up with a document to replace the United Nations Convention on Travel document that was issued by the UN, which is a Convention on Travel document issued now by the government of Zambia.
Zambia is currently hosting over 83,500 refugees, former refugees and asylum seekers from neighboring countries and beyond, half of whom are from the Democratic Republic of Congo. Matthew Msukwa reporting for Zanis in Lusaka.